It's December in the Northern Territory, it's hot and sticky, that's no excuse. Get out in the garden and do some gardening. This month's all about screening plants. Murrayas are a great screening plant to put in your garden. They have a beautiful white flower, they can grow up to 4 metres high, they hedge well, giving you great privacy in your garden. Lily pillies are another great screening and hedging plant that work well in all small backyards. There's quite a few varieties for lily pillies. You've got Baby Boomer, the Resilience, and quite a few others that we'll find in store, and they're a very good small growing native tree. For the tropics, you can't go past heliconias with their striking flowers and architectural foliage. Gingers are also looking good right now, plant in moist, well-drained soil. If you're unsure about what you want to plant in your garden in December, come on down to Bunnings, have a chat to the local gardening experts. They can help point you in the right direction. The veggie patch needs a bit of planting love too. Put in eggplants and okras in fertile, well-drained soil. Mint will also do well. Keep it contained in a pot and it likes a shady spot rather than full sun. Plant coriander and snake beans too. These are favourites in the tropics and produce big crops of long stringless beans. All our plants except our seedlings have a 12-month guarantee. If you're not happy with your purchase, you can bring your plant back with your receipt and get a full refund. With the festive season just round the corner, your garden is still producing, like pumpkins, sweet potatoes, lemongrass, chillies and basil. In December, it may be hot and humid, but that's no excuse not to get into the garden and do some maintenance work. Look out for pests like grasshoppers and caterpillars, and the best organic control is to squash them with your fingers. It's a good time to repot and refresh indoor plants. Mulch the garden for the wet season. So there you have it, some ideas on what to do in your garden in December in the top end. Of course, come in and see one of our expert team at our local Bunnings and come and have a look at our wide variety of plants we have on offer. Click here for more gardening advice or click here to go back to the website.